Hello friends, is your car losing power, misfiring, or running rough? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0271, it means there's a high voltage issue in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 4. This can lead to engine hesitation, poor fuel economy, and rough idling. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0271 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0271 is a fuel injector circuit high code for cylinder 4. This means the injector is receiving too much voltage, which can cause it to spray too much fuel or not function correctly. This leads to rich fuel mixtures, misfires, and poor engine performance. Common symptoms of P0271: check engine light, CL, on, engine misfires, especially in cylinder 4, black smoke from the exhaust, running rich, rough idling and poor acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, and a strong fuel smell from the exhaust. If this issue is ignored, it can lead to catalytic converter damage and engine overheating. To diagnose and fix P0271, you need to inspect these components. Cylinder 4 fuel injector, located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Fuel injector wiring, harness runs between the ECU and fuel injectors. A shorted wire can cause high voltage. Engine control unit or ECU is usually found in the engine bay or under the dashboard. It regulates injector voltage. The battery and alternator are located in the engine bay. A faulty alternator can cause electrical issues. A problem in any of these components can lead to excess voltage in the injector circuit, triggering P0271. First, a faulty or stuck fuel injector can cause excessive fuel spray. Second, shorted injector wiring, where a damaged wire can send too much voltage to the injector. Third, a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor, which can send incorrect signals and cause overfueling. Fourth, an ECU malfunction, where the ECU may be incorrectly supplying high voltage to the injector. Finally, alternator overcharging, where too much electrical current can affect the injector circuit. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 4. Replace if needed. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor with an obd2 scanner. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for shorts or damaged connections. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage regulation. Step 5. Scan and reset the ECU software if needed. Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and test drive the car. P0271 can lead to engine misfires, rich fuel conditions, and catalytic converter failure if ignored. Fixing it early will save you money on expensive repairs. Want to learn more about fuel injector problems? Check out these next videos: P0219, engine overspeed condition, and P0220, throttle position sensor circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.